Homicide, backwoods, so it's all good. Let's see it, make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side. Real woman, keep boss up. Down bad, I can call her. Ooh yeah, sex so good, might get a Birkin. She deserve it.
Hey Queens, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. Anyway, so today I did a nice simple get ready with me. I bought these drawstring ponytails. I have this one. This is the first time I wore my straight one, and I have a nice little curly little unit, and I just wanted to do my hair and feel pretty because I've been feeling bloated and heavy and nasty and disgusting. So I just wanted to do my makeup and my hair, take a couple pics for the gram, couple little selfies, and yeah, and listen to Nicki and get ready. So today I just did a basic simple people. It's mainly about the hair. Now I need you guys to leave a comment below, like please recommend your favorite edge control. Please do not recommend this edge booster. Like this edge booster I use, this one I have one with the black top. What is this? The Stronghold berry scent. I tried this one. I tried the one with the when the base and the color of the lid is the same. I tried the pomade one. This is like the more waxier version. I tried all three of them. They all suck. Oh my gosh. Like the first time I'll use it, you know, it'll be good, and then a couple hours later it started whitening up. Like, oh my gosh. Every time I use an edge control, I feel like my edges whiten up. I don't know if I'm applying too much. I don't know what's going on, but like every time I do my edges, it either doesn't hold my hair or holds my hair for like an hour or two, and then it'll curl back up. If it's an instant, it wouldn't last the whole day. It's not the edge control is not sweat proof, especially for Jersey heat. It just reverts my hair back, or it turn white, or it's very oily. So like, if I start sweating, the edge control will literally start running down my face. So I tried the edge booster. I tried Sweetie's edge control is good, but like it's like a hit or miss. Like if I use too much, it'll turn white. If I use too little, it doesn't hold my hair. So I have to use like the perfect portion of edge control so I can slick my hair back. But besides that one, please recommend some edge control. What else do I have to say? Okay, yeah, I think that's it for the video. For the intro, it was a really long intro, I'm sorry. But yeah, so don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you're notified every time I upload another banger. Follow me on Instagram at QueenCierra_Slay. Follow my business page at Cierra Boutique, and follow me on TikTok and shop my website so you can look like a queen on a budget at www.QueenCierraBoutique.com. The night before I filmed this video, I already washed and conditioned my hair and let it air dry. So now I am taking this rat tail comb and I'm going to be parting out this section so I can try that little rubber band method that I had in the beginning. So I'm sectioning from the arch of from both of my eyebrows, and I'm going straight back to make sure I have a nice clean section to work with. I'm going to put some lotion on my hair because my hair was kind of dry. I let it air dry, so it didn't have no product in it. So I used that pink lotion right there. I love it. It will be linked in the description box below. So now I'm going to split that section that I already made into a half section so I can start making boxes. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure everything is even and matches up correctly. That was like the hardest part. But this is where I think I messed up at, because you see how I apply all that gel to like the front part of the first two sections. That's why I think my hair turned white, because none of the other sections turned white after I slicked it up and back. So I think I applied too much gel. That's why it turned white. But I don't know. So just let me know. And comment below. Still recommend some more edge control, some gels. So yeah, I got these pink rubber bands. I really wanted pink rubber bands to go with my shirt. So I got these rubber bands from Amazon because I couldn't find it in any hair store. So yeah, I just rubber band that section off. And I'm going to do the other section. And I'm just going to keep repeating that all the way back. So now I'm finishing up all my boxes and rubber banding them off. This was a lot of work. So I'm going to start crisscrossing them and rubber banding that section off to make like that nice little crisscross. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really cute and I really wanted to try it. I think I should have, I never tried this hairstyle before. It was like my first attempt. So don't judge me. But I think I should have put some more edge control on the ends of the hair and then rubber band them off. And then I think I should have put some edge control there. It was cute for my first attempt. I mean, I'm so proud of myself because I almost gave up. But next time I will definitely add some more edge control. Edge control is key with these types of looks. I'm gonna add some more pink lotion. I use some edge control to slick my hair back into a little ponytail, and now I'm like swooping my edges. I didn't really want dramatic baby hair, so I just swooped them back into the ponytail. Like I was saying before, I was really tired. Like I started getting really tired and lightheaded, so I wanted to finish this video, but I was really not feeling good at this point. So I just wanted to hurry up and finish this. So I just took out some sideburns and I'm just gonna swoop them back. I love my sideburn swoop, so I'm gonna swoop my sideburns. If you don't like them, oh well. So yeah, that's it. So I just sprayed some shine mist to so my edges won't turn white. I thought that was gonna prevent my edges from turning white, but it didn't. So now after I slicked up everything, you're gonna add the drawstring ponytail from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. It has 2 combs and then a drawstring. So yeah, just watch me put that on. Another thing is I did not have any bobby pins. So I literally just stuffed my hair inside the ponytail and just clip it and drawstring it to tighten it up, and that was it.
Talk to me, Thunderbird.
And if you see me singing, I was trying to get some more energy because I was like so tired. While I was so tired and headachy, I will say, and I will put that in a different video. It'll be in my upcoming Girl Talk video. But yeah, so I was listening to Nicki. So if you see me singing, I need to get that boost of energy back. So now let's get into the makeup. It was kind of blurry. I don't know why the camera wasn't picking up on it, but I used my NYX micro brow pencil in the color Ebony or Espresso. It will be linked in the description box, but it will be the name on what color I used. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I really want a more natural eyebrow. I was just filling in the sparse areas and extending my tail a little bit, but I did not want a very defined brow. So I'm taking one of my favorite concealers, NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'll be concealing. I didn't even feel like putting on foundation that day. So we're going to conceal around our eyebrows to clean up anything. We're going to conceal around we're going to conceal around our under eyes, around our mouth area, any problem areas we are having, because we are not going to add foundation. Today we're just going to cover up our problem areas and keep pushing.
Show me love, show me love, show me that. Show me love, show me love, show me that. Show me love, show me love, show me that. Show me love, show me love, show me that. Show me love, show me love, show me that. Show me love, show me love, show me that. Show me love, show me love, show me that. Talk to me, Thunderbird. Wobble up, wobble up, wobble on the track. 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 Wobble on the track, 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 wobble on the track.
Again, another NYX liquid drop. This is in the color Warm, and I should have did it underneath my makeup, but I decided to do it on top and it worked out. So these drops are amazing for underneath your makeup and on top of your powder. So it doesn't matter when you add the drops, because once I put these drops on and start blending them out, girl, look at the glow. Just look at the glow. So yeah, I tried a new mascara today. I'm using Maybelline Sky High mascara, and it was pretty good. It was very wet formula, so if you don't like really wet concealers, you might not like this one. But I love the brush. It got every lash hairs on my eyes, and that's not a lot, but it was really good. So off camera, I apply my dual lash glue in clear. You know, I love that one. And then I apply my amazing lashes from Cierra Boutique, and they are in the lash name Unstoppable, and they're just a nice, natural, girly, light lash. These are one of my best sellers for my natural girls. And if you don't like a really natural lash, you can get my lash in Hustler or Badescu. Now I'm using my Milani lipstick in the color don't remember, but it will be in the description box below. And I'm sorry I'm out of frame for the lip portion, but I am adding to my glosses. I am adding Cierra Boutique's Watermelon, and I'm adding Cierra Boutique's Icy Lip Gloss. And yeah, that is it for this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at QueenCierra_slay. Don't forget to follow my business page at Cierra Boutique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, queens, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.